Bench, yeah.
Tall mushroom tower on one side, tall mushroom tower on the other.
Okay.
So.
Oh, you're gonna make it so you can sit in between them. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, might as well decorate it, put some fucking lights on.
We ain't gonna put the lights on. You got your Christmas lights? I think I saw them.
Yeah, I did. Cool, so we're gonna have a mushroom tower.
And what's that gonna do at this height is gonna block all our brute cans and our operation behind it.
Okay.
So when the wife comes out to do a tour,
yeah,
you're not going to see all these brute cans that she's upset with me about.
Okay.
Even if we put another mushroom tower,
yeah,
I have like 4 or 5 of them along here.
Yeah, it looks
all
great.
They're going to see is a tower of mushroom.
Yeah. All right, I'm with it.
Okay, so.
All right, so now I'm understanding Rick's madness. We're gonna layer on the outside with mushroom blocks. We're gonna add a mushroom base first, and then we're gonna start building with all the mushrooms that fall apart. Here we go. Everything's coming back to life. Good to see it. The butterfly garden coming back. Good to see the butterflies coming back. It's amazing how long a hurricane can keep nature away, but it always comes back. These mushroom Johnson Sioux style, they attract a lot of millipedes, which we know are very fungal castings. Moving them over to these bins. Then we're gonna include them in that new pile we're building of those too. So you're just filling gaps.
Trying to fill the gaps with that dry powder.
But this is that dry compost. I should do a review on that and send it to them.
Out of the bin.
What they're looking at like so far, pre-compost mushroom. Pre-compost mushroom. What's next, Rick? More mushroom?
Yeah. Put some more mushroom in there.
Just building it out. This is how we're gonna build it up. Different types of compost. There we go. It is holding the water in the middle. Huh. That's gonna be cool.
Yeah! But look at what they changed a bunch of other, the bunch of stuff.
That's going right in the middle.
There goes nothing, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's your crab shell and egg shells.
The idea here is this turns into one big mushroom block, sprouting from all sides. That would be awesome. AEA, which one is that? That is the humicarb. Okay, sweet.
Nothing special.
This is just mushroom, no bokashi mix. This is mushroom and moisture.
Mushroom,
and vegetables.
vegetables, fruit, everything from the organic restaurant.
Wow. That looks awesome.
Now we'll break it apart here in a minute.
Jesus. Yeah, this one's got some funk to it. This is the old stinking stink out, right? Yeah. Cool. Got it.
We'll just get.
You get that in there? No.
No, here. Just whip it on the top. Will be perfect. Let's get 4 out of it.
This is from the olive barrels. Fish, oh, everything. Yeah. It's all holding too, man. You'd think it would start seeping out and shit. Yeah, none of it's spilling out.
Okay, Mr. No History, no Kashi.
This is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be interesante.
Approximately 30 days.
30 days?
Approximately.
What? Look at that. Look at that green on that.
That's,
I wonder if that's
Chips.
spirulina.
no, that's chips from the restaurant.
Oh, the potato chips are green.
Corn chips.
Okay.
No, you're gonna work in there a little. That moisture.
The green is the corn chips from an organic restaurant.
Mango bistro chips.
This is gonna be interesting.
I think we should put another one of him on.
Another more de leche.
Out of this one where I'll get my bucket with my.
Let's see what's going on in this one. We'll find out in a minute. Oh,
How's she look?
yeah, that's bubbling. It's got life.
Get that red out the way so you're not dripping on your toes. Let's see what he's gonna do there, Mr. Moe. Oh. You think that's got some life in it?
Yeah. Right of that. All right, we're trying to preserve this whole cap. Came out of this brute can. Add it to the top of that.
Wad of mushroom shit.
Yeah, the little finishing touch to the cap. All right, first block officially done. All right, it's gonna be nice. This is how you compost and keep the wife happy. You build something that looks nice. The goal is this is gonna start flushing mushrooms like these golden oysters. Little bench in the middle because people come and tour this property. And we'll have a second tower. The twin towers of fungi. That's cool. Yeah. Then the big cap on top. Icing on the cake. And now you got stuff growing out of these blocks too, by the way. Or the soil that's all stuck to these blocks. That'll be cool. See what the end result is on this. All right, that's a wrap. 2 fungal towers complete. Let's see what happens. Let's see what time is gonna do here. Again, I would love to see them fuse together, which is quite ambitious, but you never know. Never know. I dig it. Maybe get some green plants around it. Well, it's got green in the background, but get some color. Put some color to it. Sure, Rick's wife will be happy. Doesn't look, well, that's a masterpiece to us.